Why he's not happy?
He sounds happy.
He's happy.
Housemate? Bigit kumulang 11 linggo na ang inyong pananatili sa aking bahay. It has been almost 11 weeks that you have stayed in my house.
11 weeks.
Wow.
Sa panahon na ating pinagsamahan, nakilala ko ang bawat isa sa inyo ng maigi. During your stay here, I got to know each and every one of you.
Oh, goosebumps.
6 na kabataan na iba't iba ang pinanggalingan at istorya sa buhay.
We all have very different lives, each of us.
6 teenagers with different backgrounds and life stories.
What's that?
Wait for it.
Bawat isa sa inyo
Each of us
ay pumasok sa aking bahay
went into his
na may bitbit na pangarap.
What?
Each of you went inside my house with a dream.
Dream?
Yes.
Housemates. Pero bago dumating ang oras na yun, nais ko kayong bigyan ng isang aral na sana'y bitbitin ninyo sa labas ng aking bahay. Housemates, our time together is almost over. But before we part ways, I want to impart to you a lesson. Kayong Big Six ay binigyan ko ng pagkakataon na i-rank ang inyong mga sarili mula 6th place hanggang Big Winner. I gave the 6 of you a chance to rank yourselves from 6th place up to the Big Winner. Sa inyong 6, 2 lamang sa inyo ang naniniwala na sila ang karapat-dapat na maging Big Winner. Out of the 6, only 2 of you said that you are deserving to be a Big Winner. And I asked myself, why only 2? Malaking tanong sa aking sarili, bakit? Bakit hindi kayo naniniwala sa inyong mga sarili na kaya ninyong maging Big Winner?
Why do we believe in ourselves?
Gayong sa inyong paninirahan sa aking bahay, marami akong rason kung bakit ako naniniwala na kayo ay karapat-dapat. Why can't you believe? Devon, pinakilala mo sa akin ang isang anak na hangad ay tumulong sa kanyang pamilya para umahon sa hirap. Ikaw ay nagpursiging mag-aral, naghahanap ng papakitaan para sa iyong magulang. Fritzy, ikaw ay larawan ng isang positibong kabataan. Kapag nakikita kitang ngumiti, nakikita ko ang isang teenager na laki sa isang mabuti at masayahing pamilya. At maski parang perpekto ang iyong buhay, ikaw ay nananatiling mapagkumbaba. Dahil dyan, ikaw, Fritzy, ay isang Big Winner.
Salamat po.
Ivan, flying to the Philippines away from the comforts of your home and parents is not easy. You said to me, you wanted a change in your life and you wanted to make your parents proud. And based on what I see, on how you are as a friend and how you take